I wanna celebrate. I wanna tell everyone. I just can't wait. He is my friend. He is so great. He can do anything. I just can't wait. So I'm gonna tell everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. Yeah, everyone everywhere. I want the world to know. Oh, everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. So I'm gonna tell that girl. It's a beautiful day. I wanna celebrate. I wanna tell everyone. I just can't wait. He is my friend. He is so great. He can do anything. I just can't wait. So I'm gonna tell everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. Yeah, everyone everywhere. I want the world to know. Oh, everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. So I'm gonna tell that girl. I wanna tell everybody in the whole world. Tell them with kindness. I wanna tell everybody in the whole world. Tell them by sharing. I wanna tell everybody in the whole world. Tell them He loves us, and Jesus is the reason I keep singing every day. I'm gonna tell everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. Yeah, everyone everywhere. I want the world to know. Oh, everyone everywhere about the love of Jesus. So I'm gonna tell that girl.
Who? You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Testing? 1, 2, 3. Hi friends, I'm Kai, and my dad set up this old microphone for us to use. When he checks the mic, he always says, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Do you know what my favorite thing to do with a microphone is? I love to sing! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That's a fun song, isn't it? I love to make up my own songs too. Do you want to hear my new song about God? Shout yes if you do. Here goes. God loves me so much, yeah, yeah. I can trust God, yeah, yeah. God loves me so much, yeah, yeah. I can trust God, yeah, yeah. Sing with me. God loves me so much, yeah, yeah. I can trust God, yeah, yeah. God loves me so much, yeah, yeah. I can trust God, yeah, yeah. Wow, that was great. Thanks for singing with me.
Who?
It's Ollie.
Hello, Kai. Who? Singing a fun song, are you?
Yes, I am, Ollie. I love singing with a microphone.
Singing is wonderful. It's true. especially when it's about God, too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Woo-hoo. Hola, friends. I'm Luis the Handyman. I'm so glad you're here. Look at this cool train I have. Isn't it awesome? Oh, and here's the coolest part. Are you ready? Watch. They come apart. Ah! They separate. Do you know that word? Separate? Look. Together. Separated. Together. Separated. Which reminds me of today's story. Do you want to help me build it? Great! Let's put it on the story fence. Hammers up, little builders. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, hammer! Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now, we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Today's true story from the Bible begins with God. That's how you spell his name. G-O-D. God. Now, our story also has you. Let's say that's you. Do you think there's anything you can do to make God stop loving you? No. The Bible teaches us that nothing can separate us from God's love. That means God's going to love you when you're feeling sad or grumpy or mad. And God's going to love you when you're feeling silly. God's going to love you all the time. He loves you when you're at your grandma's house or at the doctor. He loves you when you're playing on the playground. Ooh, or eating a snack. What do you think? Does God love you when you're sleeping? Yes! Does God love you when you're in timeout? Yes! God loves you forever, always, no matter what. You can trust God because nothing will ever separate you from his love. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who can trust God?
I can trust God. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can trust God?
I can trust God. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Adios. See you next time.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God loves us all the time, no matter where we are or what we do.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow! God loves us no matter how we feel, where we are, or what we do. Nothing can ever separate us from God's love. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I'm so excited about how much God loves us that I want to sing another song. La 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 la, God loves me. La la la, I love God too. La 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 la, God loves me. La la la, I love God too.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3:5. trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3:5.